going through a separation with your twin flame and do not understand what to do, your twin flame is not coming back to you, and you don't understand whatever you are doing, you are like ready to love your twin flame like anything, but the person is not there to receive or to exchange that love. In that situation, what can you do? Do you really have anything that is in your control that you can do and really experience your harmonious union? I will say yes, because the truth is you experience your like you experience your twin flame in this lifetime when the harmonious union is planned, because before coming to this lifetime, even before uh, meeting with each other, you already had made this choice. So just relax, just relax and go through the right process so that you make your harmonious union fast in a easy way. Okay, it's always about the knowledge. How much are you aware that how this dynamic work? The moment you know how this dynamic work, it will be easy for you to do. Okay, and the first thing is like when you desire your twin flame in this lifetime and you are desiring to have your harmonious union, the first step is you claim it. It's in your power. Like even your twin flame is not choosing to be with you or rejecting you, abandoning you, but in truth they are taking you to a place of complete love, because within them they also desire that harmonious union. Okay, so it is like you coming to your power, you knowing that you have a relationship with God, and everything that you desire you can get it with God. Okay, so like how you claim your twin flame. If you see, like at times you see your twin flame is married to another person, or there will be situation like your twin flame will first interact with you very nicely, but after some time then they will be attract or they will go to some other people, like so they will be influenced with a karmic experience. So in that situation it is very natural to feel, like as if I did something wrong. Like what did I really do wrong that, without even letting me know, uh, it is like as if I don't deserve to even know, or even to work out so that we can make it happen together. They will just start either blocking you or completely ignoring you. And in that situation, if you try to if you try to uh, try to go closer to them, or try to tell them that you are twin flames, or try to have establish any kind of relationship, you will see they will try to distant more. Okay, because the whole purpose of the twin flame experience is you having the union with God, you coming in alignment with your truth, you coming in union with God, then your twin flame comes back to you. Because as you keep choosing within yourself, to your twin flame do the same choices externally. Okay, and then there will be like when you come in complete alignment, then your harmonious union becomes natural process. And know that I have told again and again, uh, both of you are like one consciousness, one soul, and two body. So there is nothing to feel afraid when this event happens. Like just after meeting they start to separate, they start to stay away, they start to run. So rather than trying to change them externally, or try to stuck them on the Facebook, or just try to see what they are doing, it is always good that you come back and focus on self love, focus on your healing your separation consciousness, and coming into alignment with your truth, coming into alignment with God. And all that you have to do when you see that they are not with you, they are with another person, all that you have to do is just claim. Claiming is a very powerful choice, and it comes from a place of a complete positive emotion, that is feeling worthy and feeling deserved. And in uh, most of the people who are experiencing the separation pain, it is very natural to feel that like there is something wrong with me, I don't deserve, I'm not worthy of my twin flame. But the actual truth or the actual process is, the more you are experiencing that separation, you actually go deeper with God and claim more, because both of you are one energy body. So the more you claim yourself, because you are claiming yourself, and your twin flame is part of you, your twin flame is not a separate person. Okay, so the more you claim yourself only, it is like claim all your energy, and just align into the love. Just claim all your energy to love yourself, and that way you attract your twin flame. That's how you magnetize your twin flame. And they cannot be even if like externally it looks like they are going somewhere, but the truth is they cannot go, because you are one, you are absolutely one. So they cannot go anywhere. So it is just that they are mirroring something to you and taking you deeper into the truth. And the moment you come more and more closer to the truth, all these things that you are seeing outside will vanish. you know so rather than trying to do anything outside, you just claim all of your energy, that includes your twin flame, and put that for loving yourself. Okay, it is easy to love yourself. And what's there so much what is so much of effort in loving yourself? It is so easy, right? There is a lot of effort that is going to happen when you try to do something with another person, but when you are doing everything with yourself, it is easy, just loving yourself. And you can always claim your support to understand what self love is, because there have been so many misconceptions about self love. Like just getting that like it is said, like like you just go like I will say how rather than you putting your energy to love yourself, you are trying to put energy so that you get attention from other. Okay, that is not self love. Like you are taking so much of selfie, putting on the Facebook and trying to get so many likes. Those are not self love. Those is like actually there is a deep lack within you, and you are trying to fulfill that from the external people. But the true self love is you just completely being peaceful, being loving within yourself. And after attaining that, then you experience anything external is just a cherry on the cake. You just you feel completely loved within, and then you go and purchase a dress or go to a spa. You'll feel completely different when you experience that, when you are in self love. So choose to love yourself, claim your twin flame because they are yours, and know the truth is God wants your harmonious union. So all the separation consciousness is need to be cleaned, having a clear consciousness in alignment with God, coming into alignment with the spiritual truth. uh, you will get over this separation consciousness in few months if you just do it in a very honest way. Or otherwise it's okay if normally it takes like from 3 to 4 years for cleaning all your separation consciousness. But if you are like in a high vibration, you can literally get it done within 3 to 4 months. But all that you have to do is claim your twin flame now, because there is no nothing called like I will claim my twin flame tomorrow or after something. Just love yourself and claim your twin flame now, and let God guide you how to move forward in the direction of harmonious union. You have all the power to choose your harmonious union. Thank you.